Alright, for everybody that wants to know how to put a stem on. If you don't already have your bars on there, what you want to do is get the knurling on your bars lined up with the two edges of your front plate, and then tighten the bolts on the corners first. Just either corner first and then the other ones. Now if you already have your bars on, give me a sec here. And yours just comes off. Of course you want to have your compression device and the two bolts that go there. What you want to do is slide your stem down onto your stereo tube like so, all the way down, and then I'm going to do your compression device first. So your headset won't have any play in it. And just tighten it up. You don't want to tighten it up too much. Just tighten it up until you don't have any play in it. And it doesn't really need to be any tighter than that. After that, you want to grab your bolts that go there. I have no idea what they're called. And get your stem lined up with your front tire as best you can. It's pretty straight. And then tighten the bolts up. And that is pretty much it. Whatever you do, as soon as you watch a video, subscribe, rate, and comment.